Facebook Live. Jamie here. Happy Thursday to everybody. Give everybody a few minutes to log in and join me because I love to have more and more people on with me. So thank you, everybody. I've gotten some really cool comments lately about maybe making a cookbook or a cocktail book and how much the information they're getting and how awesome it is. So thank you, everybody. I appreciate that. If you're watching me live, you can just leave me a comment, hashtag live, or just say hi so I know you're here. It always helps build up an audience, the more people that are watching. So that is awesome. Sorry I'm a little bit late today. Sorry I didn't get on yesterday. We actually had a wine tasting yesterday, so we were tasting some awesome new wines from Sicily and Portugal, and those are, well, Sicily is one of the next trips that we want to do in Italy, and Marcus and I are dying to go to Portugal, so that was awesome to be able to taste some more of those wines. And let's see, tonight is burger night, $9.99 burgers to go. We also have a venison burger tonight as well, so either our beef burgers from Wheatley Farms in Stanfordville or a venison burger. You can also do our vegetarian burger, so the chickpea burger to go as well. $9.99. Call ahead, 647-3000. Place your order. We are quite busy with takeout orders tonight. We are getting our dining room ready to open it up this weekend a little bit. Let people dine inside. It's supposed to be nice. It's supposed to be colder this weekend. So we definitely want to give everybody trying to think, so much stuff going on. It's been a good week. Marcus and I got a lot of stuff done this week on our 2 days off. So Tuesday and Wednesday we were closed. It was nice. We got a lot of stuff done. We worked, but we got a lot of stuff done in the dining room, and so that's good. We are open this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The streets will be closed, and let's see, and we will be doing lobster tails only this weekend. So those will be available. We're not going to do whole lobsters this weekend. We kind of see it dwindling down a little bit on the whole lobsters, so we're going to do lobster tails. And we're talking about adding some soups and some bratwurst and things like that onto our menu. We have some awesome specials tonight. We have a strip steak barbecue pizza. We have a risotto. We have the wild salmon and corn risotto. We also have shishito peppers. We have garlic, local organic zucchini sauteed in a little bit of garlic as one of our sides. So we got a lot of stuff. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I appreciate it. Hello, Tammy. Hello, Candy. Hello, Dean. Hi, Mom. Hi, Susan. Hi, Mike. I know there's a bunch of other people on here, so thank you very much for everybody's support. We appreciate it as we are coming into more fall season, a little bit colder. If you're coming to eat with us, we do have our outside garden open. Make sure you wear a jacket or bring a sweatshirt or something. We do have some heaters out there. We do have our fire pit, but it does get cold. It does get a little chilly. So please just make sure that you are ready for that. We can open up inside if we need to, and we will when we have to. We're trying not to open up inside, but it's coming to that point where we're going to have to now. So for you to be more comfortable while dining with us, we see our grocery orders are picking up. Lots of people are picking up more and more groceries now. Today and tomorrow are busy with grocery orders again. So as it gets colder, people are going to stay home. They're going to cook at home. You can order with us. We just got some awesome new Italian groceries to go. We got these awesome cherry tomatoes. We got this awesome mustard, onion mustard from Italy, which is not the typical mustard like you're thinking. It's more of a jammy mustard. It's really awesome. We haven't been able to find that since we were in Italy a few years ago. It's awesome. It's really good. We had some last night. Of course, as soon as it came in, Marcus and I opened one up and tasted it. That is available. So we have some new grocery items, so check out our grocery list. Check it out on our website, aromatimebistro.com, and it's underneath menu, and I think the first line item is groceries. We can still do wine and beer and spirits to go, so We have a whole stock of that available. So give us a call, place your order, grocery order. We'll drop it off in your car. You can come inside. You can do a little shopping, and that is cool. That is easy to do, and we're here for you. So in order for you to take out alcohol, you have to buy, you do have to buy food. So thank you everybody for watching. Lots of new faces on, I love it. So thank you. Hello Amanda, hello Sarah, hi Mark, hi Ralph, hi Robbie. So today as we're getting into fall, I am going to start creating new fall cocktails. Our new fall cocktail menu just came out today. We have Koval Cranberry Gin and Tonic on the phone. All right, awesome. It rings to my phone too, so if I don't answer the phone, sorry about that, everybody. So I'm going to be making a bourbon maple apple cider, so you can have it hot or cold. It's on our new menu. Koval Cranberry Gin and Tonic is on our menu. And I also added on a chai hot chocolate made with almond milk. So that will be really good. And the marshmallows are vegan, so it's all vegan. And that is on our menu. So, all right, so I've already warmed the apple cider, but I'm going to start off with 2 ounces of bourbon whiskey. And I am going to add some of the local maple syrup. Hello, how are you? Yes, we have outside seating. So give me one moment. Or actually, Megan will seat you. Sorry, I'm just doing a Facebook Live. Sorry, I don't have my mask on yet. It's okay.
We didn't see you.
No, it's all good. A little late today. Usually it's at 4 o'clock. So, all right. So you have the bourbon. I am going to add in bourbon and maple syrup, so local maple syrup. I am going to add in the local apple cider. You can add a little bit of cinnamon on top. I always like a little bit of nutmeg on top. Looks like there's a couple of floaties in the maple syrup, in the maple syrup. So just trying to get those out. So yeah, there you have it. You can have it hot. You can have it cold. Let's taste it. Oh yeah, nice and refreshing, nice and warming. It's really good. I love apple cider. It's apple season here in New York. Apple season, you can go pick apples. So I highly recommend that. Highly recommend going and picking apples locally, taking them home, make an apple pie, make applesauce, make something appley, apple tart, something like that. So. Got here late, no problem. Hi Matthew, how are you? Sorry, I was late today. Usually I try to do it at 4 o'clock, so I apologize that I was a little bit late today. But I was making a hot apple cider with bourbon and maple syrup. I did find a maple bourbon that I'd like to bring in. I just haven't brought it in yet. I love this maple syrup. We actually have it for sale here. We have the bourbon for sale and we have the apple cider for sale. So you could come in, buy all the ingredients, take it home and make it at home. This is Catskill Sugar Mountain House maple syrup. It's awesome. Love their maple syrup. So let's see. That is it for today. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Happy almost Friday. We just got done with our weekend, so being closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And we are rocking and rolling, ready for a good weekend. So hope everyone's good. We have maple bourbon here in Vermont. Awesome. Yeah, I like maple bourbon. We're getting ready for our weekend. We're going to rock and roll. Good weekend we're going to have. We're going to get out for a hike this weekend. So I'm excited about that. So, all right, everybody, have an awesome day. See you tomorrow at 4. Cheers.